Addie's first day of walking by herself. Let's go to Addie.
Let's go find him.
Today is January 13th, 2011.
Where's Abby? Let's go find him. Let's go find him. Abby is outside. Abby is outside. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Yeah. Where's Abby? Come on. You coming? You coming?
Dance, dance.
All right, baby. Where do you want to keep?
Just right here.
Rai, where are you?
Ooh, that smells good.
Where is she? I don't want to step on her.
She turned around.
I know. I got it on video.
Next week we're going to have her involved in soccer.
Yeah.
Baby soccer.